This video will give detailed instructions on how to install the Ultra HTS Grind, Clear Prime and Seal system. Ultra HTS will enhance, restore, and bring life to new or existing concrete floors. It's always recommended to test concrete for moisture presence before beginning. Contact UDT for additional information. First, prepare the floor to a CSP2 or CSP3 concrete surface profile, either by grinding with 30 to 80 metal bond diamonds or by lightly shot blasting. Here are the tools needed to mix and apply the primer. It's recommended to prime the concrete prior to top coating with Ultra HTS. Choose the primer based on dry time desired, size of the project, and experience. Mixing instructions are listed on the Part A container and on technical data sheets. Begin mixing the primer based on a coverage rate of 500 to 700 square feet per gallon. It's recommended to reduce the primers with xylene. After product has been mixed, it's time to pour. Pour a line of primer along a far wall. Wearing spiked shoes, push the flexible, flat squeegee at an angle to spread the primer. Press down firmly to achieve a very thin coat. Use a paintbrush and edge roller for corners and along walls. Ensure that the entire floor has been primed. Backroll the coating with a dry roller to even out streaks and ensure a consistent film thickness. Squeeze out excess coating from the rollers on a dry area of the floor when necessary. Finish spreading and backrolling each mix within the stated pot life. Allow the primer to dry thoroughly before proceeding with the Ultra HTS top coat application. Once the primer is dry, visually inspect the newly primed floor. Remove any large particles or debris if necessary. If you are applying Ultra HTS without the recommended full load of aggregate number 1, you must damp microfiber the entire floor with isopropyl alcohol or machine scrub the floor with 100 grit screens prior to applying Ultra HTS. Make sure to apply Ultra HTS within the primer recoat window. If you don't, you must machine scrub the floor with 100 grit screens prior to the application of Ultra HTS. Here are the tools needed to mix and apply Ultra HTS. Run tape across rollers to remove lint. Begin mixing Ultra HTS based on a coverage rate of 500 square feet per gallon. The 1 1/4 gallon kit will cover 625 feet, and the 5 gallon kit will cover 2,500 square feet. Mixing instructions are listed on the Part A container and on technical data sheets. If using UDT aggregates, mix with Part A thoroughly, then add Part B and mix for 3 minutes. Pour mixed product into rolling pans. Saturate edge rollers and 18-inch rollers in the Ultra HTS. Roll a thin and even coat along the walls with the edge roller. Work together with the large roller. Using the large 18-inch roller, initially roll Ultra HTS in a side-to-side motion. Once Ultra HTS is spread out, proceed to roll a W pattern in the opposite direction of the initial roll. Roll slightly into previously rolled areas and lift up while rolling forward. Throughout the project, remix the Ultra HTS in the tray to minimize settling of the UDT aggregates. Continue across the floor, rolling with the edge roller and large 18-inch roller. It's recommended to wear spiked shoes and re-roll the entire floor within 25 minutes to eliminate any drip marks and roller marks. This process will help ensure a smooth, consistent result. One person can continue to apply Ultra HTS while another person re-rolls or back-rolls the product already applied to the floor. Complete all rolling and back rolling within the stated pot life.